Cue the spotlight on one of the world's longest-standing disputes, the Israel-Palestine conflict. A tiny piece of land, roughly the size of New Jersey, has been a hotbed of contention for over a century. The heart of the issue? Two distinct national movements, Zionism, advocating for a Jewish homeland, and Palestinian nationalism, seeking an independent state, both staking a claim to the same territory. The result? A complex, tangled web of political, religious, and cultural conflicts, marked by numerous wars, countless lives lost, and endless negotiations. The solution? Not as simple as picking a side. It's a delicate dance of diplomacy, requiring understanding, empathy, and compromise from all parties involved. Remember, in the world of geopolitics, there's often more than meets the eye. This is just a primer, a glimpse into the intricate puzzle that is the Israel-Palestine conflict.